Did you know that 30% of published academic papers contain misleading graphs? That's right, your research credibility could be at risk. Academic journals often reject papers with poor visualizations before they even reach peer review. Why? Because truncated y-axes can exaggerate tiny differences, making them look massive. Consider this: the human brain processes visual information 60,000 times faster than text. So, if your graphs are misleading, that's the first thing experts will notice. And let's not forget about colorblind researchers. About 8% of male scientists can't distinguish between red and green lines in your charts. To avoid these pitfalls, start your y-axis at 0, choose colorblind-friendly color palettes, and ensure your chart types match your data purpose. Remember, the difference between publication and rejection could hinge on a single graphing mistake. Are you making these errors? Subscribe for more.